Hello Pro, good morning. Here is Hana again. Here present with you some bench made balancing. I'm not very good at this kind of practice, but I will show you how the product it is. It's two dragons. Here we got a good one. This is the more cost-effective one. It's very suitable for the beginners, you know. This is silver one, the most popular style. For this style, it's quite light. It's very suitable for the beginners. Something like this. It's just very simple actions for presentations. Okay, for more product or for more information, please subscribe my channel. Okay, that's it. See you next time.